So for this problem, I drew something to start us off. I drew the point 2, -3, because they're talking about triangle ABC, but they only care about vertex A. So why draw the whole thing? Why not just draw vertex A? So they start with a rotation 180 degrees clockwise. Remember, clockwise goes this way. And 180 degrees would bounce it 2 quadrants over. So you're gonna go this quadrant, and then you're gonna land up here. So you can either have memorized the rule, which says that your XY gets flipped. So when you do a rotation of 180 degrees, it ends up being -x, -y. Whatever it started as is now the opposite. Or you can say, well, I need to get into this quadrant, so it's going to be, my X will be 2 in, and then my Y would be 3 up, which proves, oh yeah, that's what's happening. We have a -2 and a +3. So rotation of 180 degrees done. Now we reflect it over the x-axis. That means you're folding it along this horizontal line x. So you're gonna land right back in the quadrant. Remember, our quadrants are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you're gonna land right back in quadrant 3. You have to count in 3 and then count out 3. So you're right here. So we don't care what the coordinates are of this just yet, but I could say, oh, that's -2 and -3. And then a reflection over the y-axis, so you're going to fold it over this y line. So you're going to land right back where you started. You're going into and then out 2. So you're going to end up right where you started. At 2, -3. I think the best way to explain this would be to have that graph and to show those little steps, or you could write down the sentences that I spoke as we were going, but you are going to end up right where you started.